Binance confirmed replacement of Bitcoin with Cardano. Recently, the world's attention has been actively focused on cryptocurrencies. Many large investors actively invest their funds in various crypto projects only because they can bring considerable income. Such a project is Cardano. Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about Cardano? Write the answers in the comments. The well-known investment exchange Binance supports the Cardano cryptocurrency in everything for a large amount of time. This is what will help Cardano grow to a great price. Binance Bitcoin Exchange has announced that it will support the Cardano network, Ada, hard fork planned on the night of December 10th to 12th. Half an hour before the update is activated, the platform will suspend deposits and withdrawals, but users will be able to continue exchanging cryptocurrency as part of trading operations. The Alonso update is positioned as the most significant upgrade of the Cardano network. With its activation, smart contracts are being implemented in the blockchain. This will allow developers to create decentralized applications, dApps. Last week, IOHK deployed smart contracts in the Cardano test network. Against this background, the cryptocurrency has updated its historical maximum at levels above $3. At the time of writing, ADA is trading near $2.56. Over the past day, its price has increased by 8%, according to CoinGecko. The integration of smart contracts in the test network was not without incidents. In the first DAPP blockchain, Cardano, decentralized exchange MinSwap, faced the so-called concurrency problem. Because of the latter, only one user could interact with a smart contract within one block. The developers of MinSwap noted that this problem will need to be overcome by any competent team that creates decentralized financing protocols based on the Cardano blockchain. Recall that last week, the Cardano testnet deployed a standard and ERC-20 token converter, which should become a bridge between the blockchain platform network and Ethereum. Many in the Cardano community are unhappy with their assets, and it has come to the point that founder Charles Hoskinson has threatened to immediately block anyone who complains to him about ADA prices. In addition, while the eToro cryptocurrency exchange limited ADA liquidity for US customers, an alternative coin was indicated by Bitstamp. To understand the mixed signals, cryptography researcher Max Marr took a closer look at the indicators and the Cardano community. Analyzing the real volume of ADA, Marr noted a significant drop in recent days compared to the levels at the beginning of the year. At the time of printing, the real volume of ADA was about $542 million, but just a few months ago it exceeded $9 billion. However, Marr reported, "It is important for the reader to note that Marr himself has invested in Cardano and owns more than 41,000 ADA. Nevertheless, studying the development of the ecosystem, Marr suggested that many may have misunderstood Alonso Cardano's hard fork. The researcher suggested that disappointed community members expected to instantly see smart contracts, DX, crypto games and other advanced features in the ecosystem, but were not ready for the time it takes to develop these projects." Calling it build time for Cardano, he calculated that new projects and higher transaction volumes would help boost the price of ADA. Marr said that when he started speaking, Marr also added that he could only find one case where Cardano experienced downtime, which he claimed lasted about an hour. The researcher came to the conclusion. The Cardano Foundation announced that there has been a significant increase in the number of Plutus scripts since around the time of Alonso's hard fork. Due to the lack of smart contracts based on Plutus in early September, the Cardano Foundation registered more than 800 in December. In fact, during a recent live broadcast, Hoskinson himself stated, "It is important for the reader to note that Marr himself has invested in Cardano and owns more than 41,000 ADA. Nevertheless, studying the development of the ecosystem, Marr suggested that many may have misunderstood Alonso Cardano's hard fork. The researcher suggested that disappointed community members expected to instantly see smart contracts, DX, crypto games and other advanced features in the ecosystem, but were not ready for the time it takes to develop these projects. Calling it build time for Cardano, he calculated that new projects and higher transaction volumes would help boost the price of ADA. Mar said, "I wouldn't bet on it in a month or even 2 months, but in 3 to 6 months, I think we'll see a lot of reliable useful applications running on Cardano. And the bottom line is that if you want cryptography that will increase 10 times in a month, you shouldn't be in Cardano." Starting his speech, Mar also added that he could only find one case when Cardano experienced downtime, which, according to him, lasted about an hour. The Cardano Foundation announced that there has been a significant increase in the number of Plutus scripts since around the time of Alonso's hard fork. Due to the lack of smart contracts based on Plutus in early September, the Cardano Foundation registered more than 800 in December. The number of active addresses on the Cardano network increased fourfold from October to November, as activity on the network increased, and the fee for transactions on the network decreased from an average of 45 cents to 38 cents. According to a recent CryptoCompare asset report, there were 50,506 active addresses on the Cardano blockchain in October, while there were a total of 216,072 active addresses in November. The activity in the Cardano blockchain is likely growing due to the upcoming launch of several decentralized financial protocols, which include SundaySwap, its own scalable decentralized exchange and automated liquidity provision protocol. The CryptoCompare report reports that monthly transactions on the Cardano blockchain increased by 75.8% to 46.2 million in November, reaching a record monthly high. Average daily addresses with zero balance also increased by 82.1% from 66,000 to 120,000, the report says. As CryptoGlobe reported, the number of addresses on the Cardano network where ADA bets has grown and exceeded the 1 million mark, even against the backdrop of a downturn in the cryptocurrency market, as a result of which the space has lost more than $400 billion in market capitalization. Similarly, earlier this month, the network reached a milestone after processing 20 million transactions. Cardano's price soared earlier this year after it completed the Goguen smart contract phase, and the ecosystem is now moving to the Basho phase, which will focus on network scaling. The block sizes will now be increased by 8 kilobytes to 72 kilobytes in anticipation of increased network traffic as a result of the launch of new decentralized applications, adds CryptoCompare. It is noteworthy that more than 70% of ADA shipments were placed on the network, which aroused the interest of owners waiting for the launch of new decentralized applications. As reported, the CryptoCompare report also showed that the total value locked in the ecosystem of decentralized finance built on the Solana blockchain increased in November, while Ethereum transaction fees reached a new record high this month, suggesting that investors switched to Solana due to cheaper transaction fees. The live Cardano price today is $1.28 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $1,828,972,034 USD. We update our ADA to USD price in real time. Cardano is down 3.37% in the last 24 hours. Do you think Cardano will be able to surpass Bitcoin? Write your answers in the comments. For today, I say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.